好啦，今日咧就揀咗2016年最新嘅 B2，咁咧就做1/4。OK，示範下。咁咧一開始我哋睇下第一頁，佢咧呢度咧佢今次咧佢寫係 Text 8嘅喎，即係第幾篇文啦？呢度睇落去咧，咁都係圈低晒，咁但係唔使喎，你呢度睇落去咧，去到第二版咧，好啦，佢之後個版。就去到呢度咧，佢有 text 9啊，咁咧即係直情咧做第一版咧，睇 text 8就得啦。咁我哋直接去睇個篇文，咁我會解晒俾大家聽，咁就一齊研究下啦。好啦，就係呢篇啦。OK，咁會睇到去呢度。好啦，咁咧呢篇咧佢寫咗係 Forbes 嘅，見唔見到 Forbes 啊？呢個，咁佢咧有個1嘅，咁我哋都睇埋啦。佢係本雜誌嚟嘅，喺個最底嗰度佢寫住，佢話咧 Forbes is a business magazine featuring articles on finance, investing and successful companies。即係咧呢本係一本 business 嘅 magazine，咁咧係有啲 articles 啲文章咧係 finance 金融啦、投資啦、成功嘅 companies。好啦，咁即係咧呢篇文就應該係講呢啲類似嘅題目㗎啦。咁咧佢就話啦，一開始。佢話咧 Mexico moves beyond the food truck。見到呢個字咧 Mexico 如果要拆開兩個字，好似係咪好似 Mexican 即係墨西哥同埋 barbecue 嗰個？係啊，佢係一個合拼字嘅，你可能係咁估下喎。咁佢話 moves beyond，moves 咧即係行啦 ，moves 咧即係呢個 beyond 即係超越咗啦。一個 food truck 咧即係架食物車，得唔得？美食車係啦，大家知咧今年咧就考美食車啊嘛，即係2016年啱嗰年。OK，睇下啦，佢話咧 The arrival of food trucks to New York several years ago was greeted by a city hungry for refined street food, willing to pay higher prices to reward hard-working culinary entrepreneurs. But what was initially a story of success, as the Mexico truck can attest, quickly became a nightmare。咁佢話咧 The arrival of food trucks 咧 to New York， 即係 food trucks 啦，咁啊 arrival 啦去到紐約啦 several years ago 啦，好多人讀 several 啊錯，係讀翻1、2、3、4、5、6、7個several， 即係幾年之前咧食物車呢樣嘢咧就去美食車呢樣嘢就去咗紐約啦。Was greeted 即係咧 by a city， 即係呢個城市咧，即係 New York 啦，好即係好歡迎喎，好歡迎呢個 concept 喎 food truck 呢樣嘢。佢話呢個 city 係點啊 ？Hungry for refined street food， 即係佢都好想要一啲咧改良過，即係靚啲嘅一啲 street food。咁咧呢一個 city 咧，其實就係嗰啲人啊，紐約嘅居民啦，willing to pay higher prices to reward hardworking culinary entrepreneurs， 即係佢願意俾高啲價錢嘅。去回報係啦，呢啲咧好勤力嘅 culinary 咧，即係關於 food 啊 food 嘅一個形容詞嘅版本咧就叫 culinary。entrepreneurs 即係讀經濟嘅同學就會知啊，即係老闆啦，即係 culinary entrepreneurs 美食嘅老闆咁咪即係呢啲 food trucks 嘅老闆咯，即係佢肯俾高啲價錢嘅。OK， 佢話 but what was initially a story of success， 一開始呢個成功嘅故事，一開始 initially。As the Mexico truck Mexico 你見到呢度 can attest 係 prove 即係呢架車咧就可以證明啦係一個成功嘅故事。但一開始嘅成功故事咧，佢話 quickly became a nightmare。佢話 nightmare 呢個字咧，即係噩夢啊！咦，咁即係你估到呢篇嘢咧，佢一開始可能講下會關於啲成功嘅故事啦，亦都會講下個噩夢，即係有好有唔好喎。係咪啊？咁咧，我哋繼續睇下第二個啦。咁咧，佢就話咧 ，OK，initially，等一陣啦。OK，好 ，initially the food truck business model looked attractive， 即係 attractive。OK，as Mexico co-founder Thomas Kelly told Forbes, sitting in the top floor of their store on 7th Avenue, the truck was cheaper, offered lower risk than opening a restaurant,and allowed him and partner David Schillis to test out the concept without having to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars. While they sunk their life savings into the truck, Putting it together cost less than 100,000。一開始嘅時候咧，佢係 food truck 呢個 business 咧，呢個 model 啊，即係呢個模式啊，係咧，哇，好似幾吸引嘅喎。咁咧Maxique 咧，即係呢間公司呢個 food truck 可能其中一架美食車嘅間公司啦。Co-founder 呢個字即係創辦人。逢親你見到 co 咧，即係唔止一個嘅創辦人有多過一個。例如我哋話 co-author 咧，即係咧作者咧都唔係淨係一個 co-author 其中一個作者咯。co 即係會其中一個啊，即係佢有個 partner 嘅。咁呢個咧呢個就係其中一個創辦人啊，佢叫 Thomas Kelly。記住一有人名啊嗰啲咧 noun 嗰啲全部間晒佢啦。我而家唔間啦。Told Forbes。Sitting in the top floor of the store on 7th Avenue 嗱 ，Avenue 即係 street 咁解喺呢條街度咧，咁佢間 store 佢間鋪頭最高嗰層咁樣坐喺度啦，咁佢係同阿 Forbes 講乜 ？Forbes 係本雜誌，即係佢同嗰個記者啦 ，Forbes 嘅嗰個記者去講啦，佢就話啦 ，The truck was cheaper 嗱，因為佢啱啱講咧，佢話呢個 model 係 attractive 啊，咁第一佢話咧呢架車咧平啲。第二樣嘢 offered lower risk than opening a restaurant， 即係咧比起咧開一間餐廳嚟講咧係少啲風險 ，and allowed him and partner 即係另外一個 co-founder 或者叫 partner 啦 ，David Schiller to test out the concept， 即係去試下佢哋呢個 concept 佢啲 recipe 啦，可能佢啲因為佢係啲墨西哥菜再撈埋啲 barbecue 嘅嘢嘛，試下啲 food concept 我覺得係。Without having to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars， 即係唔需要俾咁多錢啦。thousands of 即係幾千啦 ，hundreds of thousands of 咧，即係咧睇下先，幾千幾萬幾十萬係啦，即係唔需要咁多錢啦，即係佢覺得平啲。OK，while they sunk the life savings，sunk 咧即係 sink 嘅過去式啊 ，sink 咧即係放晒沉晒啲錢落去，掟晒啲錢落去。sink 嘅過去式可以用 sank 或者 sunk 都得。將佢哋成副身家 life savings into the truck 擺晒咧，咁啊 putting it together cost less than 100,000。佢覺得擺埋即係用晒全部 life saving 去投資喺個 truck 呢個 business 度咧，佢話都係少過呢個價錢啫，即係佢話平嘅，佢覺得 OK 嘅，得唔得？再睇多少少，佢話咧 as early adopters，the Maxique crew saw explosive growth. The first day.Parked in Midtown Manhattan, surrounded by the skyscrapers that investment banks call their home, the Maxique truck attracted lines around the block. Early on, they were making 2,000 to 3,000 on good days. The happy days of the food truck dreams. 咁咧呢度咧就話啦。佢哋係 early adopt 嗱，你見到作為咧，其實佢係你講呢個 Maxique crew， 即係講緊公司嘅員工啊 crew， 佢哋咧係一啲 early adopters， 即係早期嘅佢意思話嗱，佢呢即係咩意思咧？即係佢話咧，佢係早期去採用呢個 concept 嘅，即係最早入行嗰班啊，即係 food truck 呢樣嘢喺 New York 咧，佢最早期嗰班人 ，OK，early adopters。佢咧就見到 explosive growth， 係唔好意思 ，explosive growth 咧即係好爆炸性嘅一啲 growth 啦，講生意啦 ，OK。The first day 第一日嘅時候咧，咁啊 parked in Midtown Manhattan surrounded by the skyscrapers 嗱，即係咧佢第一日嘅時候咧，佢泊喺個 Midtown Manhattan， 即係 Manhattan 呢個城市嘅 Midtown 啦。而呢一個地方係 surrounded 包圍住，有啲咩包圍住咧？被包圍住，被一啲高樓大廈包圍住。咁咧 that investment banks call their home， 即係話咧呢一啲高樓大廈咧係一啲投資銀行咧叫佢咧係屋企嚟嘅。咁即係話呢啲 skyscrapers 咧有好多投資銀行喺度啦。咁啊佢係泊喺呢個咁嘅地方啦。咁咧 the Maxique truck attracted lines around the block， 即係咧吸引住好長龍啦，好多條龍啦。Around the block 咧即係就大廈，即係圍住大廈啲咪轉埋彎添，好多人。Early on they were making 2,000 to 3,000 on good days， 即係好嘅日子嘅時候咧賺到咁多錢嘅。但係 the happy days。唔好意思，佢話咧 the happy days of the food truck dream are long gone though， 即係話咧好嘅日子咧呢個 food truck dream 過去咗啦已經，即係話咧可能下面咧就係講啲唔好嘅嘢啦。